Students, let's start the new topic, addition and subtraction of decimals. To add or subtract the decimal numbers, we follow the few rules. First rule, line up the decimal, means arrange the decimal points one below other. Second, arrange the digits to the corresponding places one below the other in column. It means you have to arrange all the digits one down the other according to the place value chart. Third, add up or subtract. Addition and subtraction is same as we do in whole number case. I'll explain you with the help of example. Look at this example. Add 23.76 plus 13.59. According to the first rule, line up the decimals, means write the numbers one below other in such a way that the decimal is lined up 13 and 59. Hence you can see all the digits are arranged according to their places. Then we add from extreme right. So first add 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 down, 1 carry over, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 down, 1 carry over, 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 1, 3. Hence the sum is 37.35. I want to make it more clear with the help of examples of your exercise. Exercise 7b question 1. This part. 4.3 plus 0.62 plus 7.18. First rule, arrange the decimals. 4.3 to 0.62, 7.18. So how have you arranged? First you have lined up the decimals, then the digits are kept according to their places. Then we start the addition from the first column of extreme right. So add all these. 8 plus 4, 12, 2 down, 1 carry over, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 down, 1 carry over. Bring this decimal point down as it is. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12. Hence the sum of these decimal number is 12.12. Let's move to the next example of exercise 7b question 1. 3.7 plus 7.42 plus 12.867 plus 10. In this example, children, you have variation in the decimal places. So best and the easy way or the convenient way is to convert them into like decimals by adding 0 to the extreme right. Which number have maximum decimal places? This number has maximum decimal places 3. So how can you change this number to the like decimal? By adding 2 zeros to the extreme right. In this case, we'll add 0 to the extreme right. Here 10 is the whole part. So just put a decimal to the right and add 3 zeros to make it like decimals. Now it's very easy to arrange in the column. Take the first number 3.700. Second number is 7.420. Next number 12.867 plus 10.000, and then sum up all four decimal numbers. If needed, you can add zeros for your convenience to make it more clear. Now let us start the addition from the first column of extreme right. 0, 0, 0, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 4 plus 8, 19. Means 9 down, 1 carry over. Bring this decimal point down. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 12, 13 means 3 down, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Hence the sum of these four decimal number is 33.987. This is how very easily by converting them into like decimal you can add, that make your work more convenient and easy. Children, as I am explaining you the exercise sums, what is being given on the whiteboard, keep noting as your classwork. Here the sum is question number 2, first part, 40.51 minus 18.61. You follow the same rule. First line up the decimal, arrange them in column. 40.51 minus 18.61. Now start the subtraction from the first column from the right. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 will borrow, becomes 15. Here it is 9. This changed to 3. So 15 minus 6, 9. Bring point as it is down. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Hence the difference of the two decimal number is 21.90. Second example, question is 150 minus 39.235. There is variation in the decimal places, so better you convert them into like decimals for your convenience. So let us change. Here the decimal places are 3. So write this whole part 150, write decimal to the right and add how many zeros to make the like decimal? 3 zeros. Minus 39.235. Now you can very easily arrange one below other according to the place value chart. So let us arrange 150.000 minus 39.235. So let us start the subtraction from extreme right first column. Because 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we will start the borrowing from here. It will be borrowed, this change to 9, this change to 9, this change to 9 and this becomes 10. And then proceed. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, bring point as it is down, 9 minus 9, 0, here 4 minus 3, 1 and 1. Hence the difference of the two numbers is 110.765. Children, look at this example, 15.42 minus 20.55. While doing subtraction, we keep the greater numerical value up, 20.55, and the smaller numerical value down, 15.42. As we follow in the case of integers, then subtract. 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 4, 1. Decimal down, borrow and becomes 10, this is 1, 10 minus 5, 5, hence the difference is 5.13. Now let us decide the sign of this answer, because your greater numerical value carry negative sign, hence the answer is minus 5.13. Look at the next example of exercise 7b question 3, 36 minus 63.16. Again you find the numbers 63.16 carry negative sign, but before arranging in column, convert them into like decimals. Here you see 2 decimal places, so add point and 2 zeros. Now bring the greater numerical value first, right below the smaller numerical value, that is 36.00, and do subtraction. 6 minus 0, 6, 1 minus 0, 1, bring decimal point down. It will borrow 13, this change to 5. 13 minus 6, 7, 5 minus 3, 2. As your 63.16 carry minus sign, hence the answer is negative. So while doing subtraction of the two decimal numbers, we follow the rule of integers. Hope the concept of integer is very clear to you all. So before proceeding for the simplified sums of decimals, you should go through the rules of addition and subtraction of integers. Look at the next example, exercise 7b, question 5, simplify. Here you see 2.7 plus 5.12 minus 3.95. We'll follow the same rules of integers. First you add the two positive decimal numbers and then do the subtraction. Before proceeding, let us convert 2.7, 5.12 and 3.95 into like decimals. The two decimal places in both, so we'll add 1 0 here and arrange in column. 2.70, 5.12, sum up, it becomes 0 plus 2, 2, 7 plus 1, 8, bring decimal point down, 2 plus 5, 7. So next step is 7.82 minus the third decimal, 3.95. Do subtraction. 2 minus 5 means 2 will borrow, it becomes 12, here it is 7. So 12 minus 5, answer is 7. 7 will borrow from here, it becomes 17. So 17 minus 9, 8. Bring decimal point down, 6 minus 3 is 3. Hence the final answer or the simplified answer of the 3 is 3.87. Now let us move to the next example. As you are taught, when you find the two positive decimals, we sum up and change into one decimal. But before proceeding, let them be like decimal. 2 decimal place, 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place. So by adding 0 to the extreme right of this decimal, now the 3 are like decimals. Now add the positive decimal numbers, this and this. So it becomes 13.15 plus 1.28. For your convenience, you can add 0 to the missing place. Add them. 8 plus 5, 13, 3 down, 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4. Bring decimal point down, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 down. Hence the sum of these two numbers is 14.43. Second step, bring the sum here and subtract the number. Next number 0.90. Subtract. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 will borrow, it becomes 14. Here it is 3. 14 minus 9, 5. Put point here. 3 minus 0, 3. 1. Hence the simplified answer of these three numbers is 13.53. Here you see there are 4 decimal numbers to simplify. 7.8 minus 9.2 plus 22.35 minus 6.65. First convert them into like decimals. The maximum decimal place is 2. So just add 0 to the extreme right of first decimal, 0 to the extreme right of second decimal. Now all are like decimals. Let us proceed with the addition of positive numbers, means this and this. This is the first step. Bring here and add 7.80 plus 22.35. It becomes 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 down, 1 carry over, 7 plus 3, 10, 0 down, 1 carry over, 3. Hence the answer is 30.15. Step 2, add the negative numbers and make one negative number. So minus 9.20 minus 6.65. Add them and make one negative number. 0 plus 5, 5. 6 plus 2, 8. Bring decimal point down. 9 plus 6, 15. Hence the negative number is minus 15.85. Third step, first number minus second number. So let us proceed to the next step. Third step, 30.15 minus 15.85. Solve them. 5 minus 5, 0. 11 will borrow. It becomes 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Here 9 and this is 2. So 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Hence the simplified answer of these 4 decimal number is 14.30. Students, you can see again you have followed only 3 steps to solve this question. First step, add all the positive decimal numbers and make one decimal number. Then add the numbers having negative number and make one negative decimal numbers. Then subtract the 2 and get the simplified answer. Look at the 6th question of exercise 7b, question 5. 100 minus 3.56 minus 13.6 minus 23.455. Here you see there are 3 numbers which carry negative sign. So first step, sum of these 3 negative number and make one negative number. Before this, let us convert them all into like decimal. It becomes 100.000 as the highest decimal place is 3. Here you add 0. In this you add 2 zeros to convert them into like decimals. Now let us sum up the 3 negative numbers. 3.560. Then write the next number below it. 13.600. Next is 23.455. All these are negative numbers. So we'll add negative here and then sum up. 0 plus 5, 5. 6 plus 5, 11 is 1 down, 1 carry over. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 6, 16. 6 down, 1 carry over. 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 0 down, 1 carry over. So 2 plus 2, 4. Hence the negative number is 40.65. Bring this number here, 100.000. Second step, subtract the 2. So let us subtract 100.30 minus 40.615. Now let us do the subtraction. You will borrow, it becomes 10, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 6, 3. Bring decimal point down. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Hence the simplified answer of these four decimal number is 59.385. Now let me proceed to the application of addition and subtraction in our day-to-day life. Few examples I'll take from your exercise 7b, the words problem, to make it clear. And the remaining all the sums of word problem are your homework sums. Exercise 7b question 4 B part. A number exceeds 16.27 by 5.723. Find the number. Will that number be more or less? Exceed means it is more. So in this case, which operation is applied? Addition. Put plus sign. First step, convert them into like decimal. Here the decimal places are 3. So add 0 to extreme right and convert them into like decimal and then sum up. 16.270 plus 5.723 equals to 0 plus 3, 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, put decimal down, 6 plus 5, 11 means 1 down, 1 carry over, hence the answer is 21.993. Children, now onwards I won't write the words problem on the board. Let me explain you the first question number 8 of exercise 7b. You all take out page number N111. I'll read the sum for you all. After about 2 meter 80 centimeter length of cloth for his shirt, 1 meter 25 centimeter for his trouser and 3 meter 5 centimeter for the shirt of her sister. Find the total length of the cloth bought by him. Total indicate that this question is of addition. Before proceeding, you all should learn how to follow the conversion, how to convert meter and centimeter into meter. Here I have done for you all. The question is, after bought for shirt, how many meter in centimeter? 2 meter 80 centimeter cloth can be written as 2.80. For trouser, 1 meter 25 centimeter is 1.25 meter. For sister shirt, 3 meter 5 centimeter. 3 meter 0.5 centimeter. Take care, here 0 will come. Then add all the 3 to get the total length of cloth bought. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 down, 1 carry. 8 plus 2, 10, plus 1, 11, 1 down, 1 carry over. Put the decimal point down. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Hence the total length of cloth bought is 7.10 meter. Next example. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 10 of exercise 7b. It's on page number N112. Bhavya's school is at a distance of 6 km 50 meter from her house. She travels 600 meter on foot and the rest all by her school bus. How much distance does she travel by bus? Here you see Bhavya's school is at a distance 6 km 50 meter. 50 meter means 0.050. So it becomes 6.050 kilometer. She covers on foot 0.600 kilometer. 600 meter equals to 0.600 kilometer. Question is, find the distance covered by bus. So you have to find the remaining distance. Remaining distance means the sum is of subtraction. So let us subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 will borrow. Here it comes 5. So 10 minus 6, 4. Bring decimal point down. 5 minus 0, 5. Hence the distance covered by bus is 5.450 kilometer. Exercise 7b question number 11. Saurabh's body temperature was 101.4 degree Fahrenheit. After medication it fell by 2.6 degree Fahrenheit. What is his body temperature now? Now let us move to the solution. The statement is Saurabh's body temperature was 101.4 degree Fahrenheit. It fell by 2.6 degree Fahrenheit. So how can you proceed? 4 will borrow, it becomes 14. This is 10 and here 9. So let us proceed. 14 minus 6, 8. Bring point down. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 down. So the present body temperature is 98.8 degree Fahrenheit. Children, hold your book in hand. I am going to read question number 15 for you all. Amit had to reach his home at a distance of 112 km. He covered 73 km, 185 meter by taxi, 24 km, 75 meter by auto, 12.5 km by bike, and the rest of the distance by rickshaw. How much distance did Amit cover by rickshaw? So let me proceed. I have noted the statement for your convenience. So how to proceed? Let me explain you. But before dealing such questions, you all should know how to convert the given value into a decimal. So let me proceed, students. Question number 15. How to solve? Total distance to cover is 112.000 km. I have added 0 to make them all like decimals. He covered by taxi 73 km and 185 meter. By auto 24 km and 75 meters. 75 meter means 0.075 km. By bike 12.5 kilometer means 12.500. First to add all the three lengths and then get the total distance covered by him. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 down, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 7, 16, 6 down, 1 carry, 5 plus 2, 7, bring decimal point down, 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 9, 7 plus 3, 10. Hence the total distance covered by the 3 is 109.760. Next step, find the distance covered by rickshaw, means remaining distance. So remaining distance equal to total distance minus the distance covered. So how will you proceed? Bring the total distance down 112.000 km and subtract the distance covered 109.760 km. Let us proceed. 0 minus 0, 0. Equal it becomes 10, 9, 1. So 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, point down. Equal it becomes 11 and 0 here. So 11 minus 9, 2, 0, minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore the remaining distance which is covered by rickshaw equals to 2.240 km. Children, now let us learn to represent decimal numbers on number line. Decimal numbers on number line exactly same as you represent integers on number line. But here decimal means related to 10. Each one unit is divided in how many equal parts? 10. So how to proceed? To represent 2.3, first you locate the unit where it lies. 2.3 lie in between 2 and 3. So divide this unit into how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. And take the third part. This represents 2.3. Now let us move to the next example. Third question of exercise 7b, question 6. Represent 2.5 and the negative of that number, 2.5. How will you proceed? First you give 0 as O. O means origin. Now locate 2.5. 2.5 lie in between which two units? Second and third unit. So divide this unit in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 2.5 means consider the fifth part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents 2.5. 1, 2.5. Now to represent negative of a decimal numbers, we move to the left of 0. Again minus 2.5 lie in between second and third unit. So divide this unit in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And consider which part? Fifth part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents minus 2.5. Look here. 1, 2.5. Hence we can represent the decimal on number line. Now note down your homework sums. The homework sums are exercise 7b, question number 3 second part, question 5 fourth, fifth and eighth parts, question number 6 first and fourth parts, question number 7, question 9, 12, 13, 14 and 16. Do all these sums in